Hey, it's Michael Lemon, and anyways today, I have another elephant friend here today with me. His name is Sebastian. A friend of mine helped me name him that. Anyways, my elephant friend Sebastian here today is gonna eat peanuts with me. Because everyone knows elephants love peanuts. Peanuts a questioner from Texas Roadhouse. But anyways, I'm gonna open him now. Sebastian's gonna help me. There we go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Come on, help me open him, Sebastian. Almost. Nearly. Frick, the packet's inside. There we go. Thanks, Sebastian. There we go. Now we have our peanuts open. So I'm going to be eating them, and so is Sebastian. Okay? So, Sebastian. Here you go, Sebastian. Is that yummy, Sebastian? My turn. I don't have time to show them, so. Yummy, yummy. Look how excited Sebastian is. Another peanut for Sebastian. And another peanut for Michael. Sebastian wants another. That was just a show. There was no peanut in there. This time, this one, I'm not eating the shell out of. Here, half for me, and half for Sebastian. Sebastian seems to be enjoying his. I know I'm enjoying mine. Personally, I think the shelled ones taste better. But the unshelled ones are still good as well. Another for Sebastian. I know he's excited. There you go, Sebastian. Another one for you. And another. Okay, I'm just going to have one more unshelled peanut. And that's enough for this video today. So anyways, thank you for coming today, Sebastian. I hope you enjoyed your first time on this channel. Maybe we'll see you again some other time. Bye-bye. Now that Sebastian's gone, I just want to thank you guys very much for watching this video. I was eating Texas Roadhouse peanuts in their new packaging. They made this recently, and the last time I had Texas Roadhouse peanuts, they were just in a brown bag, if you remember that video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I like them, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed.